Guys, my name is Kyrie D. Lopez, and today I have a story to tell. The title is A Trip to the Lake. Bob went with some friends on a field trip. Bob's mom dropped off Bob and his friends at the lake. She told them, "I come back and pick you up right in 3 o'clock. Don't be late." Bob paused when looking for stones. Bob started looking at the toads that were near to the lake. Then Bob walked over one hill and another hill. Soon, Bob did not know where he was. He was in a field with some goats. He said to himself, "How can I find my way back to the lake?" One of the goats in the field was Gorman. He heard Bob talking to himself and said, "You are not a very large moose, but I can show you how to get back to the lake." Bob tried to tell Gorman, "I'm not a moose," but Gorman did not seem to listen. Gorman led Bob around the hills. Gorman could not see where he was going, and he didn't know where he was, but he acted as if he was leading Bob to the lake. He really led Bob to the farmhouse. The woman who lived there asked Bob, "Where did you want to go?" Bob told her. Then she showed Bob which way to go. When Bob finally got back to the lake, it was 4 o'clock, and his mom was waiting for him. Was she mad at him? Bob won't be going on any field trips for a long time. This is the end.